Hi guys, this is Momin from MTRV7 and today my video is about how to reset your Apple Watch. Now if you're having troubles with your Apple Watch and if you don't want to sell it, then there's a very easy way on how to reset your Apple Watch. Now this tutorial is if you don't want to sell your Apple Watch, then what you need to do is you just need to go into your settings and over here you have reset. All you have to do is erase all contents in settings and it will erase all. Now what does this do? This basically does not unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. So in case if you want to sell it, then this option will not work for you. Then you need to unpair your watch. And for that, I'll just show you how to do that. So on your iPhone, you have to go into your Apple Watch application and over here you have to hit the information icon and click Unpair Apple Watch. It will prompt you for a password. Here you have to insert your password. And at this stage, it'll start unpairing your Apple Watch from your application on your iPhone. So guys, as I explained to you, that this is the process if you want to sell your Apple Watch, because it'll take off the account of your Apple Watch. It is ideal if you want to sell it or you want to give it to a friend. But if you are just resetting your Apple Watch for your own purposes, then I wouldn't suggest you to unpair it, because unpairing basically removes the account information and that's what you don't want to do. So if you just want to reset your Apple Watch, it's very simple. You just have to go into settings and hit reset over there. It'll reset and it'll erase everything. So right now it's unpairing. This process is going to take some time. You just have to be very patient. The whole process takes around 15 minutes. After that, I'm going to show you how the Apple Watch is set up and paired. Okay guys, as you can see, it's unpaired from the iPhone. So the application is resetted completely and the Apple Watch has been taken off from the iPhone, but we are still waiting for the Apple Watch itself. So at this stage you'll see this circular bar showing up and that's showing that it is almost unpaired. The Apple Watch is restarted and here we have the Apple logo. After this, once it's completely reset and unpaired, what we're going to do is we are going to pair it again and I'll show you guys how to pair it and how to set it up. Right guys, once this stage reaches, it means that the Apple Watch is completely unpaired and it's ready to be paired with your iPhone. And so we will go ahead and we'll pair it first of all. So I'm going to show you how to pair it. So over here you just have to keep your Apple Watch in front and you have to click start pairing and it'll give you this sort of window option. What you need to do is you just need to show your Apple Watch in that window. So as soon as I move it around the window, it'll give me this option. This is the option in which Apple Watch has been paired. It's quite easy, quick and simple. And I would highly recommend that if you are selling your Apple Watch or if you get a new watch, just reset it and pair it in this way. So guys, now it's saying your Apple Watch is paired and we can set up as a new Apple Watch. So at this stage, basically your iPhone is speaking to your Apple Watch and over here it'll set up all the applications on your iPhone towards your Apple Watch. At this stage, you will also see that your Apple Watch will tell you what sort of model do you have. The one which I have is a 42mm aluminum case and it says designed by Apple in California. So at this stage, the Apple Watch will sync all the software from the iPhone to my Apple Watch. Well, you can even choose not to sync all the software, so you have the choice. I would advise that you don't sync all the software and keep your Apple Watch as light as possible because the memory is very low on the Apple Watch. So suggestion is that keep it light, keep it simple, and you can use your phone if you're using any other application. So guys, when it says to you your Apple Watch is ready and press the digital crown to set it up, all you have to do is you have to press the digital crown. And over here guys, you'll be introduced with the interface and that is it guys. Yes, your Apple Watch is set up. So guys, this was my quick tutorial on how to reset your Apple Watch if you're having troubles or if you want to sell it. So guys, don't forget to hit that like button if you liked the video and do subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.